Hello and welcome to day 64 in this creating a PHP Web Framework series. And in the previous few videos, we integrated Jiffy the Jiffy API for GIF searching, which was really cool. And the next thing we're going to do was CMS, but I've just sort of reevaluated that and I just feel like that's not a required feature as of yet. So it's going to be something I'm going to put blocked or like on hold. It's something that we'll maybe come back to at a later date. So I need to get rid of any code that we added for it. It was just the front end side, so it was the index page. This right here, so I can basically delete this and just need to sort out the controller for it. Controller, and it's nope, not home. It was admin. I'll just put that like so. Okay, so by default the admin will show the backup page. So we're going to look at image compression. So I haven't really looked into image compression in terms of an API. So just going to see what's the feasibility of trying to do something like this. So PHP image compression. I know there's plenty of websites online that allow you to do compression, and I do use them, but is there an easy way of doing it within an API yourself? And is there even any need for it? Okay, you can follow this code in PHP. What is this doing? Image create from JPEG. Ooh, you can resize and then use image JPEG. Again, not all the things on here will get done. Some will just have a look and be like, nah, forget it, we're just gonna move on. But let's see what we got. Resizing by width and height. Apparently that example doesn't work anymore. I will. Well, let's check what this website's saying. Nope, forget that. Actually, yeah. Let's go back. I'll leave that open. That's probably something we'll look into. And let's just take a look at what else there is. Command line utility, nope, not of any interest to us. Set image compression quality. Nope. PHP image compression and caching. Okay. Tiny class accept PNG, JPEG, or GIF image, then compresses and caches the image in the user browser, then returns the new source by compressing and caching page load time can be dramatically decreased. Page load basic uses, you require that. Create an object, cached image directory. And directory name. Setting it forever is option, but if level set, your page to subdirectory in the same folder you're calling script from. Calling, I don't know about you, but I don't keep my PHP scripts in the same folder as my images. what else we got as well? So I just wanted to do like a comparison. So this is similar to what the other guy did. The other seemed better, what we just looked at. And again, seems to be very similar. Reducing image size, I'll go to this, how to compress. Everyone seems to be doing this. Image create from GIF, then changing the quality. So these are the two that we have open. Okay, so see if there's a wiki. No wiki. See what the demo is looking like. Index. I'll see what this one's like. So I guess I can literally just go into the raw file for this and copy that. And initially I will just create it as a new class, so new file, test.php, not pjp, php. Paste it into here. Okay, so we can use this now. And let's have a look what the usage was. It's already been included, so I'll do this. Unless we go to miscellaneous, we're using some sort of image thing here anyway. We'll do that. And now yeah, I'll do that. Okay, so this will now have one of these images like so, and this will now have this. So let's take a look, see what we get. Cache must be writable. That's the chmod stuff. So applications, XAMPP, htdocs, and when did I do a chmod last? So I should just be able to use this one. Okay, let me retry. Must be writable. Apps, views, testing, app views, testing. So yeah, it's trying to save it there. See if it's created any random folder there. Nope. So I'm guessing it's failed at this line here. Yeah. While looking at the code before I started implementing it, I was thinking, is this even something that's needed? You get CDNs like Cloudinary, for example, and you'd upload images to that and do stuff like that. Let me try this basic one. So function.resize, is that it? So where are we looking? Test. Paste this into here, go back to miscellaneous, and we are on. Nope, we want. I think we're going to look at the example. Yeah, automatically gets included. I'm going to put that, and I'll try this so I can, immediately see the difference. So if I get rid of this, image path will be image. I'll put 0. So this is 70 compression. That didn't work. Is debug mode enabled or disabled? Enabled. So go back to miscellaneous. Let's see what would happen if I were to just do this instead. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Is that resize method even getting called? So if I go to test, so if I do echo some random string, I'm just going to exit. So see if that can't see that being. So if we do this instead. Okay, so it's called in here, but it's not called in here. So let me get that, mark that into $location, echo out $location, and in test I'll get rid of these 2 lines that I added. See what we get. Unexpected line 23. Okay, let's get rid of this. Classes test. File put contents jiffy.gif. So you have to be local. Yeah, maybe it's literally just for my own local or remote. Let's say remote. See what this is saying. So this guy is trying to resize this image. I'll whack that here, see what we get with it. So we're using the settings. Let's go back. Yeah, it doesn't seem to like doing this. Again, I'm just debating whether or not it's worth implementing this feature into the framework. Let's see what other frameworks have. Laravel, image compression. Obviously, we want something better than them. We want certain things they have, we won't have, and certain things we have, they won't have. But just interested to see what the competition has, if they're even doing anything. So this is an extra thing, but I'm talking about Laravel itself. We're sort of looking at extra stuff now, just what they've got. seem to have quite a lot of this functionality now in our database. So query builder, we got a pretty decent query builder as well. So now I'm probably going to skip image compression as well. Dashboard authorization, browser test, Laravel, disk, broadcasting. And it looks like I'm gonna skip this. Setup file. Yeah, I'm interested in checking that, the setup file. And okay, so I will basically undo this to the state that it was. GF random search. Okay. This didn't display anything. Let's see what's wrong with it. Ah, my bad. There we go. Because it's based on a tag. They may just be one word tags. Okay, so day 64 done. Didn't obviously get any code to done that was going to commit, but we moved tasks over. This is coming to completion now. So we're getting very far with it. Obviously, the Access framework will never be complete, but it's getting to a standard that it can be used for our websites now. So it's good. As usual, Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter links will be in the description along with the GitHub link. So feel free to check out the source code, Trello page, make suggestions, the wiki, all of that good stuff. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment. I will see you in day 65. And as usual, thank you for watching and yeah, see you soon.